If you want to start a no-dig vegetable garden, this is one of the most important steps you'll take. My name's Villette and I'm a beginner gardener. I've been growing food for about 6 months and this is my first time trying no-dig gardening. Today we're focusing on soil because this is where the good stuff happens. Traditionally, no-dig garden beds usually require only compost on top of the cardboard. But for me, I want to try using Tui Vegetable Mix and Tui Organic Compost to see if that works as well. This no-dig garden bed is 3 meters long and 1.8 meters wide. I'm using 4 bags of compost and 4 bags of vegetable mix. I've also added 10 handfuls of chicken and sheep pellets per square meter of garden. I'm mixing all of this up and spreading it out evenly. What I love about the Tui Performance Organics Compost is that it contains natural sources of organic matter and nutrients that revitalizes your soil. It's nutrient-rich, which only encourages healthy plants. It improves soil structure, aeration, and water retention too. Plus, it's 100% weed-free. Tui Vegetable Mix is a high-quality, natural-based planting mix which contains the right blend of nutrients to provide veggies with the best possible start. The best part is that it's suitable for all vegetable types and it can be used in garden beds, pots and containers. Lastly, I'm adding mulch around the soil to emulate the traditional no-dig method. Now it's time to water the chicken and sheep pellets into the soil and start getting excited for planting day. You can follow my gardening journey over on TikTok and Instagram. We'll see you soon.